Another video for understanding the self. Our topic for today is about the self in Western and Eastern thought. Okay, so at the end of the video, you should be able to differentiate the concept of the self according to Western thought against the Eastern or Oriental perspectives. You should also be able to explain the concept of self as found in Asian thoughts, and also you should also be able to create a representation of the Filipino self. Okay? So, we have already discussed sa ating mga previous videos yung different philosophies. Okay? And we also have a different understanding of the self psychologically speaking. So today, i-compare natin ngayon ang Western and Eastern philosophy. Okay? So pag sinabi nating Eastern and Western philosophy, i-review muna natin ano nga ba ang philosophy. Okay, so generally, philosophy is actually defined as the study of wisdom or knowledge about the general problems, facts, and situations connected with human existence, values, reasons, and general reality. Okay, philosophy actually came from the Greek words philo, meaning love, and Sophia, meaning wisdom. Okay, so pag pinagsama mo yung philo and Sophia, it is love for wisdom. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin Eastern philosophy, it would actually refer na to philosophies pertaining to Asia. While for Western philosophy naman, it would include now the philosophies from Europe and Northern America. Okay? So, ang focus muna natin is actually about or more on the Eastern philosophies, since na-discuss naman na natin previously yung mga different philosophies dun sa ating first lecture video. Okay? So, when you talk about Eastern philosophies, this would actually evolve around three philosophies. Okay? So, first we have Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin Confucianism, okay, so this is a philosophy founded by Confucius. Okay, so it's actually a code, or it could be seen as a code of ethical content, and it is focused on having a harmonious social life. Okay, so sinasabi na nila Confucius na for you to have a harmonious social life, you should be able to share, okay, your identity with the status of your community or your society. Okay? Ang ultimate purpose daw of life, according to Confucianism, is self-cultivation. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin ng self-cultivation or kailangan mo daw ma-achieve yung characteristics, okay, of Chun Tzu. Okay? So, or you should be a man of virtue or noble character. Okay? Na embedded pa rin yung buhay mo na yon in your social relationships. Pag sinabi natin cultivated self, okay, in Confucianism, it is actually also known as a subdued self. So, ito daw yung kapag yung personal needs mo are repressed or subdued for the good of many. Okay? Or parang nakokontrol mo yung mga personal needs mo para sa kabutihan ng lahat. Okay? So, next you have Taoism. Okay, so for Taoism, it is living in the way of the Tao or the universe. Okay, so Taoism actually rejects having one definition of what the Tao is. Okay, so actually marami daw Tao, or actually parang general siya. Okay, so ano daw, dapat nag-a-adjust tayo. Yung Tao daw should be free-flowing, relative, unitary, and it can also be viewed as a paradoxical view of almost everything. Okay? So, Taoism rejects the hierarchy and strictness brought by Confucianism. And mas gusto ng Taoism na magkaroon tayo ng balanced life with society and nature. Okay? So, simple lifestyle lang ang gusto ng Taoism. Okay? So, the self is not just an extension of the family or the community. It is part of the universe. Yun ang sinasabi ng Taoism. Okay? So, dapat daw, for Taoism, they believe that the ideal self is selfless. Okay? But, yung selflessness na yun, hindi mo kinakalimutan yung sarili mo. But again, kino-consider mo yung balanced life with society and nature. You are open to change Tapos kinakalimutan mo yung mga prejudices and egocentric ideas about equality. Okay? So sa Taoism, you are not only thinking of yourself, but also your society. Okay? So next, we have Buddhism. So for Buddhism, marami kasing versions ng Buddhism. Okay? Pero yung common sa kanila is yung self daw is an illusion born out of ignorance. Okay? So ito din daw ang source of all suffering. Okay? So ang Buddhism daw, yung self daw is actually or yung Buddhism, ang focus na is our quest to forget about the self. Kalimutan mo yung sarili mo. You should also you should forget the cravings of the self and break the attachments you have with the world and to renounce the self na yun nga yung cause ng suffering. Okay? So, ang goal ng for Buddhism, kailangan daw ma-achieve mo ang state of nirvana or the state of happiness. And usually, it occurs when you have happiness on the spiritual things. Okay? Now, itong mga example na to, Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism, siguro nare-relate natin siya more on the Oriental or on the Chinese philosophies. Okay? So, now let's go to the Western philosophies. So, ito na yung mga na-discuss natin dun sa lecture 1. Okay? Yung about the philosophical perspectives of the self. Okay? So, the Western philosophies actually do not include the role of environment and society. Okay? So, kung kanina, puro natin minimension ng society, dito sa Western philosophy, ang focus now is always looking toward the self. It is individualistic. Okay? Also, you look at the world in dualities. 1, you are distinct from the other person. And 2, there is a creator that is separate from the object he created. Okay? So for the Western philosophies, ang highlight na is there is a divine God. Okay? Na yung creator talaga, na separate from the person, from us. Okay? So ang emphasis ng Western philosophy is more on the value of equality. And it promotes ideas of fair competition. Okay? Yung Western philosophy also usually they highlight personal achievements. Okay? So, i-compare na natin kung ano ang Western and Eastern philosophy. Okay? So, for Western philosophy, again, it is individualistic. Ang pinapromote niya is individualism. Okay? So, it actually came from the school of thought from Greek philosophy. So, ang roots niya ay sa Rome and from Christianity. Okay? Specifically, you have the Judeo-Christianity. Okay? So, we could say that Western philosophy is more of Latin. Okay? While for the Eastern philosophy, ang pinapromote niya is collectivism. Okay? So, yung self is not separate from the society. So, collective nga, kasama mo yung group. And it is based mainly in Asia, more specifically the Chinese philosophy. Okay? So, it takes its roots from Confucianism, Buddhism, and Taoism. Yan. So, generally, ang Eastern philosophy is classical Chinese philosophy. Okay? Now, the main principle for the Western philosophy is self-dedication. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin self-dedication, yung gusto natin na tayo ay of service to others. Okay? To the point na yung service natin, yung life natin is focused on service to God, service to community, and so on. Okay? This is because of the Christian influence. Okay, na also there is a beginning and end to find meaning. While for the Eastern philosophy, its main principle is unity. Okay? So meron daw unity or there is actually the main point in the journey of our life na papunta tayo sa eternal realities. Okay? So, focus ng Western philosophy is more on ethics, while for your Eastern philosophy, more on the virtues. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin ethics, it is deciding what is right and wrong. Okay? While for your ethics, I'm sorry, while on your virtues, ano tayo, ito yung mga repeated values that we have. Okay? So, kaya natin inaano yung virtues kasi we also, para siyang selfless approach to life. Okay? So, satisfaction with one, kung ano man yung meron ka, yun yung susi to achieve yung sa Eastern philosophy. Okay? So, it is actually also good to say or good to point out that for the Western philosophy, ang focus talaga nito is since individualistic nga siya, mas nakafocus sa development of the self. Okay? Yung Eastern philosophy naman, since collectivist siya, ang focus niya is yung self and its role with the society. Okay? Pwede natin siyang i-compare sa ating culture, sa ating perspective. Okay? 'Di ba ang mga, for example, ang mga foreigner, let's say doon tayo sa western countries, let's say America. Okay? You would see yung mga workers, they work for themselves. Okay? So, ano siya, yung priority nila is working para ma-achieve nila yung mga goals nila. For them to buy what they want. Okay? For them to get what they need. Okay? Pero ang sa Eastern philosophy, since collectivist nga tayo, hindi lang ganun yung ating goal. Parang mas gusto natin na yung ginagawa natin nakakatulong din sa iba. Okay? So mas nakakatulong or mas para may contribution tayo sa society. Okay? So parang dun sa kay kung naalala niyo yung golden rule, do unto others what you have or what you want others to do unto you. Okay? So, yun yung parang sinasabi sa ating Eastern philosophy or collectivism. Okay? So, sa Asia, ganun. Makikita niyo yan sa mga Asians. Okay? So, yung, di ba, example na lang is yung sa kung nanonood kayo ng mga Korean dramas, 'di ba? Mine-maintain ang culture para magkaroon ng harmony and order. 'Di ba yung sa yung mga mga Korean drama ng sinaunang panahon daw. Yung mga dynasty. Yan, nakikita nyo, 'di ba? Na nagde-decide yung leader not for himself but for the good of the kingdom. Okay? Or good of others. Okay? So, yun yung mga different characteristics of or yun yung differences ng Western philosophy and Eastern philosophy. Okay? So, yun lang naman ang natin. Sinamarize lang natin or in-explain ko lang yung different Eastern philosophies. And kung babalikan niyo yung mga Western philosophies na na-discuss natin dun sa first video, makikita niyo na ganun talaga yung focus. Okay? Wala kayong maririnig na society and environment para sa development of the self doon sa mga Western philosophies. Okay? Dito sa Eastern philosophies, kailangan kasama yung yung social role mo or your participation with your social group. Okay? So I hope medyo clear naman yung ating basic explanation about the Western and Eastern philosophy. So this is just a short discussion. So kung babalikan natin or i-compare natin ngayon ang representation of the Filipino self. Okay? Saan ba tayo? Ano ba ang mas malakas na influence sa atin? Since yung country natin was actually colonized before ng mga Westerners, and also meron din tayong mga Eastern invaders talaga, yung mga colonizers. Diba iba-iba na yung ating philosophy? Okay? Pero the question is,